Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys! Oh, something got me laughing. Yes, and it's really funny. It's not funny though. I won't say it's funny, but this is real. I saw it coming. If you do, oh God, I saw it coming. Right now, as it is, there's another Nigerian man who is a biker who is now ready to ride on his bike from Lagos to London. Is it not funny? You know, I know this news of Kunle Adeyoju all the way from London that is still on his journey on his way down to Africa here, to Nigeria here, Lagos, through his bike. I know somebody will still come on. Maybe it's Nigeria. I trust my people. My people don't go disappoint me. So there's another Nigerian biker now who is now ready, who says everything is ready, is now ready to ride his bike from Lagos to London. He said everything is set. So according to him, he said he just got the motorcycle and will be embarking on the 12,000-kilometer journey with it. He bought the bike in Nigeria, mind you, But reacting to the man's announcement, one Lion King said, this one go knock engine before you reach Ibadan. You need to see the bike. It's there. So they said, you see this kind of bike? Is it this kind of bike that Kunle Adeyoju is riding all the way from Lagos, all the way from London to Nigeria? But he said everything is set. So let's wait and see. We pray for safe journey, safe trip.